What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Decentralized Social, which has been pumping in value not just in the last 24 hours but over the last few days. As you can see, it is up 44% in just the last 24 hours, making it $18.15. But if I zoom into the 7 days chart, we can see a major increase in value guys, going from about $6, just about $6.60 all the way up to $18 right now, so nearly a 300% increase. And again, there was times where it did hit about over $20. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to invest into this crypto? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you are on a profit, or should you just hold on to it for the long run? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and especially that we're very close to 2023, a few weeks away. You know, is it a crypto that you must have in your wallet going into 2023, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto, so on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website right now, and the market is just about down, fluctuation 0.07%, which is clearly nothing much, no major difference. However, Decentralized Social has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list, gaining 45%. We can see here in the last hour itself, we managed to gain just over 2% in value. Over the last day, 43%. There was a time where it hit $21 guys, of very early this morning, 65% peak. Drop back down to around, let's have a look here, $16, and right now fluctuating around $18. Over the week, a massive 170% up, and over the month it is up 224%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a huge 184% in the last 24 hours, which is a massive increase, making it $15.9 million, nearly $16 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded in Decentralized Social. And as you guys can see here, we've got a massive 80% buy against 20% sell, so we do have way more investors than sellers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Decentralized Social, which at the moment is $8.48 here in purple. However, it is trading at more than double its value at $18, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue line and the orange line are both flat out going in a straight line, not looking bullish or bearish, even though we can see the orange line was going in a bearish direction, and right now it has decided to fluctuate out, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, more or less it should be trading between $17.50 to $18. However, in between that time, it is going to be volatile. We are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles. It's likely it's going to pump up to about $19 as well. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the neutral side, so fluctuating more or less around the $18 mark. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line and the orange line are slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Again, it does look like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, they are just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, we should be seeing it trade around $16 to $17 is what my predictions are as of right now. But again, don't expect it to be trading at that specific amount for the next 7 days consistently. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. So yes, it is going to be volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side. So do expect minimal drops in value over the coming days. So towards the end of the week, I'm expecting it to trade around the $16 mark. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Looking very bullish, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking very steep. But the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last few days to a week. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I'm not expecting it to go through a major increase in value over the coming weeks. In fact, I'm expecting it to more or less drop in value, guys. Again, it depends on how the crypto market performs in general, but as you guys can see, Decentralized Social has not been performing very well for 2022. It's been doing nothing but dropping in value, and I'm expecting it to drop further over the coming weeks. So mid-November to late November, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on Decentralized Social, potentially trading between $14 and $15 is what I'm expecting. However, if there are any major changes that can have a potential impact on the value of Decentralized Social, either in a positive or negative direction, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone. That's no surprise, and we have been trading in the red zone since about April 2022. Yes, we did drop into the red zone in February, peaked back up and then dropped back down here, and ever since then we've just been getting worse and worse and worse. And for us to hit the green zone here, we have to hit at least $42, which I'm not expecting from Decentralized Social anytime soon. So more or less, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year and potentially most of next year as well, depending on how the crypto market performs. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, heading towards the green target, we should be good to go. But so far, nothing like that is predicted from myself anyway. So more or less, it's likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Decentralized Social, guys. Let me know what your expectations are. I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto, so comment down below how high or how low do you guys predict this crypto to go in 2022. And also, are you guys investing, are you selling, or are you just looking around the crypto market and Decentralized Social is one of the cryptos that you came across? But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.